I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing makes me happier than finding decorative storage options. So that's why I did not hesitate to get these Juvale rope storage bins. Now, I love these so much, I ended up getting 2 sets of them because I really like symmetry, and I was using it to organize not only my stuff, but my husband's things as well. So I use each size for different parts of my room. The small one, I put 2 of them on our office desk that's in our bedroom. We use that for our Zoom calls, our office work, so it's nice to have those little trinkets that you need so you don't need to get up and look for them, like eyeglass cleaner, flash drives, safety pins, pencils, things like that. And then the next size up is what I have on our nightstand, and that is holding our wallets, our keys, things that we need to grab when we're leaving the house, and a place that we can put when we get home after our long day. And the big one is what we put in the cubicle that's in our headboard, and that's where we put all of the things that we need for when we go to bed, my eye mask, my night guard, lotion, cough drops, things like that. So it's extremely useful to have these around the bedroom to store the things that you need in that area so you don't have to get up and look for it every single day. It's really nice and looks good at the same time, and that's what I love about it. I really like things looking clean and organized. It's what I thrive on. If you're like me and you like your organization to look good at the same time, this is a great option. They're so useful. There's a variety of things you can use these for. I've thought of some. I'm sure you can think of more, and that's my point of view.